Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you've uploaded a video on TikTok and it's not showing up on the For You feed, don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through some simple solutions to fix this issue. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to check is if your video has any copyrighted material. If it does, you'll need to delete it and upload something original. Copyrighted content can prevent your video from appearing on the For You feed. Alright, let's move on to the second solution. Grab your phone and open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are in, tap on your profile picture, usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click on it, a new format will appear. Now, look for three little lines in the top right corner. Click on those three lines. When you click on it, a small menu will appear from the bottom. Now, there are three options. Click on the third option. That is Settings and Privacy. When you click on this option, a new screen will appear. Now, scroll down until you see Support and About section. When you get there, now, click on the first option of this section, that is Report a Problem. Once you are in, you will see multiple options. From these, click on the first option. That is Account and Profile. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Now, in the menu, click on the last option. That is Profile Page. When you click on the profile page, a new screen will appear. Scroll down until you see Other, near the bottom of the list, and tap on that option. After that, see at the last of the list. You will see an option that is Need More Help. Tap on Need More Help. Here's where you explain the issue to TikTok. Let them know that your video is original and doesn't contain any copyrighted material. Be detailed but keep it simple. If you have screenshots to show the issue, you can attach them here. Once you've explained everything, hit Submit button. That is in the red color. Once you click, and now you'll have to wait. TikTok's support team will review your problem, and hopefully, they'll get back to you soon. And that's it. By following these steps and reaching out to TikTok's support team, you should be able to fix the issue of your videos not being eligible for the For You feed. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.